Seed bombs are a fun way to go guerrilla on the landscape around you. And it's a way to make your surrounding environment beautiful, even when it's super urban. So I'm going to take 2 parts dry powdered clay and 1 part compost and combine them in a bowl. Now for seeds, you could get creative here. I'm going to use some wildflowers because they really do a nice job of making color wherever they are. You could also use vegetables. You could be growing vegetables in an abandoned lot if you want. Now I've got about 1/2 tablespoon of seeds to each batch I'm doing here. I've got 2.5 cups of clay for 1.5 cups of compost and 1/2 tablespoon of seeds. Now we're going to put those in there. We're going to mix it with our hands. Get your hands dirty. Now we're slowly going to add water to this. You want to do it little by little so that it doesn't get too wet. You're going to add water just until you can form a ball that doesn't crumble in your hands. You're going to start to feel it come together, almost like a good dough. This is a great activity to include your kids in. It helps them get their hands dirty and teaches them some guerrilla gardening. Once these have been drying in the sun for a few days, I'm going to slip them in my purse in a plastic bag, and I can do a little drive-by seed bombing when I'm in the mood. Give this a try. You're going to love it. Want to see more videos like this? Like this post and subscribe to my channel.